Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Audi A5. Begin by setting up the cabin. Adjust seat, mirrors, and steering wheel, and fasten your seatbelt. Check dashboard lights and learn key fob functions for locking, trunk, and fuel door. Make sure you know where the hood release and parking brake are. This quick prep keeps you safe and confident before you start the engine and head out on the road. Turn the key or push the start button while pressing the brake and release the parking brake when ready. Place the shifter into D for drive or R for reverse and check mirrors before moving. Modulate the accelerator gently while feeling the car's response, and use light steering inputs for smooth turns. Be mindful of engine noise and tachometer behavior, and keep speed appropriate for conditions to preserve comfort and fuel efficiency. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you can spend more time enjoying your Audi A5 and less time tidying the garage. It's a little luxury that connects to everyday life. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Practice smooth inputs, gradual throttle, gentle steering, and timely braking to make the Audi A5 feel composed and efficient. When overtaking or tackling curvy roads, try the paddle shifters for more control and engine braking. Use adaptive cruise control and lane assist on highways to reduce fatigue, but stay attentive and ready to take control. Regular maintenance like tire pressure and fluid checks helps the car perform reliably and safely over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.